I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at the meshing of non-standard features. Okay, so just going to have a quick look at the shell meshing of non-standard features within Apex and some of the generative updates and direct modeling tools that we've got in there. So we just mesh this surface initially, and we can see we've got a hole, a feature rather, we could say, whereby the mesh has not respected a washer around that hole, a ring of elements. So we can set washer feature mesh controls explicitly within Apex. So we're just creating a ring of washers, a ring of elements 5mm deep by 3mm, 3 elements across. So we can see that feature is respected. But for these other features, so we've got a partial hole, we can see now, which is sort of cut off on the top, and then a 90-degree fillet arc on the bottom. Those are non-standard features, so they're not recognised explicitly by the 2D shell mesher. So we're just going to show a couple of tricks on how we can modify the geometry in the mesh to give us the feature mesh, or the non-standard feature mesh seeding that we want. So creating some filler surfaces to fill in those regions first of all. And then we're going to use the push-pull, so extruding those surfaces out into the third dimension, just a 20mm extrusion, bringing that up. And then if we look in the model browser, we've got two new solids, two discretely defined solids in there. So just changing the colour for visibility, so we can see those nice and clearly. So what we're going to do now is, again, using the push-pull tool, just grow the solids by 5mm, normal to the selected faces. So just pick those faces and then extrude, or rather grow the solid out by 5mm, and that will give us our cuts, our surface cuts, to deal with these non-standard features. So we can see the solids are in there, and then we're going to split the surface by those edges. Mesh is updated generatively, standard Apex mantra, very quick and easy to do this. Minimal mouse clicks, and then just some tidying up. So we've now got a ring surface, if you like, around the feature, or the non-standard feature. So we're just splitting this this face by these two pick selection lines, and then use the seeding tools to give us a live update of the mesh and the resultant elements definition that we want. So if this is maybe a crack propagation model or something, we've got these controls. So we can do this in 2D and in 3D, very quick and easy to do that within Apex. And then just checking the element quality. So massively dominated by good quality elements, certainly in the regions that we've controlled. And simple as that. I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.